If you had to invest around Monday's presidential debate, how would you do it? Welcome to Trading Nation. I'm Seema Mody, joined by Max Wolff of Manhattan Venture Partners and Nick Colas of Convergex. Gentlemen, this is a hot topic coming ahead of the debate on Monday. Nick, I know you have some ideas that could potentially benefit our traders.
Yeah, absolutely. Looking at the topics as they currently stand and the general tenor of the debate, we think two sectors, infrastructure and cybersecurity, stand to benefit no matter who actually comes away the notional winner in this debate, whether it's candidate Trump or Secretary Clinton. Two sectors, I think, are really going to be up for grabs. The first is energy, where the two candidates have a really different worldview about how to regulate that industry and how to deal with the industry, and financial service, which has really been an important topic with the Wells Fargo scandal over the past week and will certainly get some attention during the debates. And again, both candidates have different perspectives on how to deal with that industry. So two pretty surefire winners and two that are totally up for grabs.
And Max, what are your ideas?
Yeah, so we sort of tend to think the debate's going to have a big change in the market overall from a macro perspective. If candidate Trump does very well or is seen to have won the debate, I think the market begins a long overdue process it's more or less refused to do, which is to begin to ponder what a Trump presidency looks like. We haven't seen that. We think that's a general drawdown in the market, just given the uncertainties of someone who's hard to handicap on a number of levels and who doesn't have a long legislative background for us to draw on predictively. We think the markets refuse to price that, even though the polls are telling us it's a real possibility. So we expect that to be quite negative for market overall sentiment, and we expect the suspension of disbelief to possibly erode rapidly in the event that Trump is either seen to have come to a draw or a victory in this particular exchange.
How would you expect other asset prices to perform if Trump were to win, Max?
We would expect gold to do pretty well. We'd expect energy to do pretty well. We'd expect the big pharmaceutical companies to do okay and the managed care companies to encounter some significant difficulties, as well as some of the alternative energy related plays, which are very much associated with the Democratic Party's support for alternative energy.
And Nick, what about defense? I mean, both candidates, Clinton and Trump, have suggested that they would spend more money on aerospace and military, given the threat of ISIS and North Korea.
Yeah, I think that's another area to focus on for sure. And just to build on Max's point, by the way, let's not forget that Mitt Romney was ahead in the polls after the first debate in the 2012 cycle. And as a result, people did give his candidacy a lot more credence. The same thing could happen again on Monday and Tuesday.
That's why there's so much focus on this presidential election. It is very tight. Gentlemen, thank you so much. And thank you for watching Trading Nation. I'm Seema Mody. Good luck out there.